Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy XX Sports Gaming 23, known as Little Nikon, back with another video. And today we are going to doorbell ditch people in our neighborhood. So as you can see, it's very snowy outside, and we got my friend right there. Her name's Cecily. So we're gonna get it. It's gonna be lit, guys. Litty lit. We're gonna go around all the whole neighborhood. It's like my neighborhood, like all around here. We're gonna be doorbell ditching people. I'm gonna get this on camera right here. So I think that's gonna be legit. All right, come on, Cecily. It's cold. Yeah. All right. So guys, it's gonna be lit. Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe. All those things. Little Nick gang right here. Chicken nickin' lickin' gang right here. Let's go. Let's go, Kaylin. I'm just kidding. But let's go. Alright. So I think we're gonna be doorbell ditching this house. No, wait, that has security cameras. So dang, man, what are we gonna do? All right, we go in this house right here. We go in this house right here. Go in this house. So it's gonna be legit. It's gonna be scary, guys. Ooh, I don't want to get caught doing this. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna be lit, fam. 3, 2, 1. This is legit, boys. We're running. We running. Just act casual like we're walking. Just act like we're walking. Go on, Cecily. That was legit, boys. So we're just gonna be walking. So this is so crazy. So as you can see, they did not answer, so we're gonna go back. All right, so we got that one right there, but I don't really think about it. Should we do, what's her name again?
Chloe's mom?
Yeah, Chloe's mom. Should we? Let's do it. Lit fam, guys, lit fam right here. This is gonna be legit. Fam. Okay, go. Guys, this is legit. Oh, man. Hi.
Chloe was just the first time. It's funny because he put his speaker there.
Yeah, and then it was glitching, so I was like, what?
Whatever they were supposed to do wasn't really working out, but
I don't know,
you guys are darling.
it was kind of fun. It's supposed to be kind of fun.
It is funny.
It's cold out here.
I love
though,
it. I know. I'm gonna go in. Did you guys feel the earthquake today?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It was so crazy.
I know. All right.
Beauties.
Bye. Okay, so that turned out well. Like, not like some other neighbors. They get pretty pissed off. So, all right, let's go. This neighbor, we're rolling up to this house right now. So, let's go. Let's go, Nick and Chicken, this good one. Honestly, should we hide over there? Oh, dang, that was a bad one. Bad one, boys. Bad one. All right. Ooh, should we get Logan's house too?
Should we do what?
Logan's house. Up there. We should do the house. What about this house? Yeah, this house. All right. It's my turn, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. Nobody came out. Okay. Alright, let's go. Just act like we're walking up. This is legit, guys. Wait, I guess answer the door. I didn't see anybody, didn't hear anybody, so it's probably gonna be like a 10-minute video, 15-minute video, but you know, pretty lit, man. Okay, so not this house, cause I already know I don't like this house. We're going up to this house up there. That's my friend's house up there. Right there is my friend's house. So we're gonna go up there right now. You excited? No? This is really legit. Oh. What do you want? Why? She doesn't feel that well about this, but you know, we're gonna do it anyways because we're savages. Alright guys, we're rolling up to the house right now, so it's gonna be...
You know them like really well.
Yeah, I do. So it's gonna be... This is pretty crazy. Oh, and they have like... Okay, guys. Guys.
I hate you. Get out of here. Get out.
Alright,
Don't do that again.
Alright, peace, Logan. We're doorbell dishes.
2 people have done that already.
Really? Today?
No.
Alright,
And quit videotaping it, you nerd.
Alright, peace, Logan. Alright, we're going down, boys. Mansion house. Yeah? Yeah, we're going for the mansion, boys. Yep. Bye, Logan.
Yes, I'm talking to you. Down right here.
Seriously? Really?
Yeah.
Boys, we rolling up to the house. Boys. This is crazy. Ding ding. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's see. That one's scary. They got cameras, but we're doing it anyways. Please. This is cold. So 3 out of 6 people we doorbell. So 3 people out of 6 came outside. They were pretty chill with it. Logan was kind of upset, but it was fine. He farted too, so not gonna talk about that. So now there's some old grandpas over here. I'm not gonna doorbell this show, but I feel like we should do Mimi because, you know, I was just talking to her earlier, so. So you wanna go to Mimi? Oh, it's like I text her, we're coming to doorbell tissue. Like, what the? what the? They're like, and he's like, what the freak? I'm like, stop! Just stop saying that. It's annoying. All right. Wait, what if we went and Doorbell ditched Mimi's friends like Tegan and Jaden?
No, they moved.
Oh wait, yeah, they did. I forgot about that. Wait, what about Mateo?
I don't know who that is.
Then never mind. Dang, it's pretty dusty. Whew. This is gonna be an insane video. I think we're gonna do a couple more houses. Let's at least reach 4 houses. And let's reach at least 2 more people that come out, right? So we should get like 5 answers to 10 out of 10. It's gonna be Lee. So they have like 3 cameras, so we never do that house. I'm not doing that house because, like, you know, they're my neighbor and they're really nice, so. But I think we could go down street, honestly. Should we go up street? Mimi? But what if her parents are there? They get pretty bad.
Really?
Yeah, I think. Well, not her mom, but maybe her dad, so. Not sure, man. That's a good idea.
These are old.
Oh, man. Oh, should we do... Yeah. I'm thinking, I think we could do 1 or 2 more, and then that'll be it, because there's a lot of old people who live here. Oh, there's a kid who just moved in. His name's Ashton, but I'm not going to do that. That's rude. But they have security cameras. They go to my school, and the girl who lives there is really rude. So I'm feeling like this one, you know, like feeling it. So here we guys go, guys. Here we go. So she's gonna do this one since I did the last 2. She did the first one. I did the last 2, so she's gonna do this one. Out of 6. So I've already had 3 turns, and she's had 3, but I think she's gonna take this one. I'm gonna take the next one. Okay, go. This is gonna be legit. This is gonna be probably like 15 minutes long at the most. Alright, wait, somebody's calling her.
Hello? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be there in a second. Okay, bye. I have to go.
Alright, let's do 1 more and then you can go. Alright. So this is gonna be the last one. This was a pretty good video, guys. I liked it, but you know, so we're at least gonna get this out to you tomorrow or today. But yeah, guys. So she did it. Oh my gosh, this is good. They're turning on the lights. Guys, they turned on the lights. Holy crap. Oh man. This is scary. Oh man. Right, I don't know if they answered or not. That's pretty creepy. Alright. I think we're gonna go. Let's go. Alright, guys. That was pretty crazy. They did turn the lampposts on. I mean, well, the lights outside of the garage, but it was pretty freaky. Alright, guys. Wait, what the? Wait, is that a person? Yeah, there was. Oh my! One of the people living there just popped out the window. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna end this video right here, right now. So, give a shout out to Cecily. So I will actually give you her channel right now. So it's called.
Exclamation marks.
Yeah. So Cess. So that'd be SESS. Space explanation marks, 2 of them. I'll just try to link her channel, and yep, that's it. Peace out, guys. Peace out.